All right, so now that you know the main idea, let's take a look at the actual lesson, okay? And hopefully this camera doesn't shake. Okay, it says here, and this is the homework, measure of angle 2, right, is equal to 37. So I'm going to label this 37. And the measure of angle 8 is also going to be 37, okay? Explain why AB is parallel to CD. Well, there's lots of ways for us to explain, right? But just by very definition, what is the name of these two angles, right? And that's the first question that you're going to be answering. What is the name of these two angles? And by being able to name it, by definition, if those angles can only exist when you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So the answer to why is AB parallel to CD? Because of the presence of whatever angles these are, okay? That's pretty much it. Okay? And let's take a look at question number 2 at this point. In this diagram below, right, if angle 1, which is right over here, is 12x minus 16, right? And angle 4 is 2x plus 24. Angle 7 is 39y minus 8, and angle 8 is y plus 28. Using this information above, is P parallel to Q? We could only really confirm whether P is parallel to Q if whatever the Q angle is here, right, corresponds with whatever the Q angle is here on this side, right? Because keep in mind, right, with that, once you know one angle, if this is 70, this has to be 70, right? And it's 70 all around, and then it's 110 all around. So the way that we do this math is there's two. First, we've got to set this up. We got to solve for x, okay? So these are vertical, so we know they're equal. So 12x minus 16 is equal to 2x plus 24, okay? And then these two make that sunrise straight line. And because they make that straight line, we're going to set it up supplementary. 39y minus 8 plus y plus 28 equals 180, okay? So that's how we do this. So let's solve for this very quickly. This is going to be 10x is equal to 16 plus 24 is 40. So we know x is equal to 4, okay? Once you have 4, this is question 3. Once you have 4, you're going to plug it into question 4, which is plug it in here. What's the measure of angle 4, okay? So measure of angle 4. And then we're going to see if that's going to match the measure of angle 8, and then you guys can answer this question. But let's solve for this very quickly. This gets you 40y plus 20 equals 180. So 40y is equal to 160. So y is equal to 4, okay? So that's the answer to question 5. Question 6, you're going to answer on your own. What is the measure of angle 8, okay? And so once you know the measure of angle 4 and angle 8, if they are the same, you're going to write yes up here. If they are not the same, then you're going to write no, okay? And so that's the answer to question number 7 after you put in whatever the answer is over here. Okay, last question. AGE, which is right here, is 125, okay. BGH is also 125, okay. Explain how you know that AB is not parallel to CD. AGE is 125, BGH is 125. Okay, this is an interesting question because these angles have a very specific name, right? So that's the answer to question number 8 right here. What type of angles are these, right? And the question number 9, it says explain how you know that it's not parallel, because these angles are not brand new. These angles can exist outside of parallel lines, right? Because here, these angles have always been in existence. They don't need two pairs of parallel lines. So question 9, it's not that simple to answer, but you just know that it's not that you know that it's not parallel, it's that you cannot confirm that's parallel, right? So cannot confirm that's not parallel, specifically because this type of angle can exist with lines that are not without two parallel lines, okay? That's pretty much it.